What's up, YouTube? Today we're looking at stuff that glows in the dark. So I'm going to charge her up with this CountyCom floodlight that is totally over-spec'd and run by a giant lithium battery. All right, so first thing I notice is these grackle skulls. They do glow, but they're not like super duper glowy. And I'm not taking them off because of that. Because this is a review of something different and I have a very small amount of space. So this stuff works really well. And say like you're outside, you're doing something, boom, you're changing whatever, and then you throw these to your buddy. You know what I mean? So there is a use to these besides just, oh, they glow. This is from Heavy Barrel. They're obviously knuckle dusters. I need to get a pair from him that is not the glow-in-the-dark kind. Although I like these. I appreciate that they glow. So this is, excuse me, the hiccups. The CountyCom Voodoo Glow Skull, basically. They don't sell it as that, but because they are spooks from the CIA, I don't understand why they would not. Oops. All right, so then we go into the Hertz donut. It is, yes, I believe. No, it is the Aqua donut glow sprinkles. Night vision zip pulls. Sorry, I'm kicking this quite a bit. All right. So, but these guys are from 3 Leaf Customs. That's numeral 3. That's these guys. And I just happened to get these after these, just on a whim. It's not like they were really, but the Voodoo Glow Skull is kind of like the high watermark, I would say. So freshly charged up, this thing is like, whoa. Something else that I didn't even think of. This is the CountyCom fixed blade. Obviously it glows like the skull because I made it out of the same material. But I figured why not throw it in. But these are neat. They're also spaced, or like, kind of like this hole, she said, is you can get paracord through there pretty easily a number of ways. And the sprinkles also, I think, are glowing. Is it necessarily as bright as this? And this, by the way, is squishy. This is a bead, like it doesn't squish. It's not, but this is a little bit, I feel like a little bit neater. They do have, see how much green is in the front. This is just neat. I mean, it's a neat thing, pretty cool. It's funny, it's a donut. It's bright though. It's not that it's not bright. We're just putting it up against like the brightest things, as far as like glow in the dark stuff in my collection of stuff. But yeah, that is about all she wrote for the. Well, I guess we should probably look at it a little bit more. All right, that is about all she wrote for this one. Thanks for sticking with me to the end. Hope you folks have a good rest of your day.